Hello and welcome to Finline video tutorial. Filling out a Finline form is all it takes to create a competent project report. Here's how it works. We have divided the form in 3 sections. Let's begin with company information. In this section, click in the boxes to fill out relevant information as asked. In case of any queries, click on the question mark icon, or you could even contact us directly for assistance. Section 2. Now let's take a look at the business information section of the Finline form. Once again, this too is quite simple. However, when in doubt, access the question mark icon or feel free to contact us for assistance. If you wish to use the sample data available, you may do so by opting for Load Sample and then clicking the Insert button. Section 3. Finally, to the last section of the Finline form, Financials. Here we have 6 subsections. Let's look at the first subsection, Fixed and Working Capital. This bit begins with the company's fixed assets and values of those. Here you may add as many details as you wish to by clicking on this Add button, and if you make any error while filling out the form, you could delete those by clicking on this red button. And to do your maths too, you could rely on this form because all you need to do is answer the specific questions and the sum total gets calculated here. Here too, you could add more details or delete as you please. As for office equipment, you could list down those that are in use in your office, such as computers, furniture, air conditioners, etc. Similarly, you could continue filling out the boxes with the relevant information. The other boxes should include anything that's left out of the earlier details sort. Once all that's done, the total fixed capital gets calculated automatically. Now here in the working capital bit, you need to factor in the day-to-day expenses of the company and fill out the form as asked. Once all this is calculated, you would need to mention how much of this fund could you contribute without any assistance. Once that percentage is determined, the rest is what could be sought as working capital loan. In the second subsection, means of finances are to be elaborated. The third subsection, expenses, you are asked to fill out the fixed and variable expenses of the company. In the fourth subsection, sales and revenue, requires you to explain your revenue cycle from the business. Like in the other sections, here too, feel free to use the add or delete button as and when required. In the fifth subsection, depreciation, you are asked to fill out the depreciation percentage of your assets. In the sixth subsection, term loan is calculated. Carefully determine your needs and answer the questions. In the seventh and final subsection, you can adjust the excess cash towards stock or purchase, acquiring new assets, etc. And goes without saying that here too, in any of the sections or subsections, if you feel stuck, try clicking the question mark icon or get in touch with us directly for further assistance. Thank you for watching Finline video tutorial.